Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of class 4 maths. We were dealing with the chapter number 4. So moving further in this chapter, till now we have studied how to see time in the clock in the different manner. We have seen that this is one segment. Just a second. Yes, this is the segment, one segment. If the minute hand cover one segment, it is said 1 minute has passed, and similarly we calculate the number of segments from the 12. As we move further in this chapter, we will have some shortcut methods. Okay, so don't think that it is tough to estimate time and to see the time in the clock. We will see that in the further lecture. Now moving towards the activities which we have done, we have covered this story. We have seen this practice time question number 1. Okay, and I have given this question number 2 to do in your homework. I hope many of you have done it, but if not, let's do it. So now the time is 3:10 in the first clock. The time is 3:10. Okay, so the hour hand will be at 3 and the minute hand will be at 2. Okay, the next is 6:40. So the hour hand will be somewhere between 6 and 7 and the minute hand will be at 40, which is at 8. Okay, if you will calculate from 12 to 8, you will know that 40 minutes has passed. The third one is 4:45. So the hour hand will be at 4 or somewhere between 4 and 5 and the minute hand will be at 9. Okay, similarly 2:20, so the hour hand will be at 2 and the minute hand will be at 4. 3:15, hour hand will be at 3 and minute hand also will be at 15. Both will be at same place. And in the last one, 7:35, the hour hand will be at 7 and 8, somewhere between 7 and 8, and the minute hand will be exactly at 7. So these were the some answer which I have given you to solve, and yes, we have solved it. Do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interest you. This is the PDF I have shared also. So answering that question, at 3A, at what time does the sun rise at your place? So the sun rises at 5:30 in the morning. Generally in the summer, sun rises at 5:30 in the morning. So we are considering that duration and writing this time. Question 3.B. B question. When does the sun set? Answer is the sun sets at 6:15 in the evening. Does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? So if you have observed, if you are waking up earlier, you will know that the sun does not rise and set at the same time every day. Every day 5 or 6 minute changes are seen. So the fourth question, find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from A. Now we will see carefully the clock. So see that the minute hand is at 7 and now the minute hand has moved to 10. So from 7 to 10 we have to calculate how many minutes have been passed. So as we have discussed, the larger segment from 7 to 8 consists of 5 minutes. So that 5 minutes then 8 plus 9 which is also 5, and from 9 to 5 which is also 5. So in total 15 minutes are passed. So let's see one shortcut how we can calculate this. Minute hand move from 7 to 10. Therefore, what you will do, you will just a minute, yes, here multiplication sign will be not there, equal sign will be there, okay, and here also equal sign will be there. So what you have to do, subtract the smaller number. Here the smaller number is 7 from the larger number 10. So 10 minus 7, yes, calculate it. Yes, 10 minus 7 is 3, right? So what you have to do, you have to, in this type of question, you have to just take a difference of that and multiply it by 5. Okay, you have to multiply it by 5. So you will get 3 into 5 which is 15. So the method which I have explained can also be useful, but for the well-being or for not to consume much time, we can use this method. You have to just subtract the smaller number from the largest number in the minute hand. Keep that in mind. We are calculating for the minute hand now. So subtract it, multiply by 5. So here also you can see that the minute hand is at 8 and then it has traveled to 12. So what you will do, you will just subtract 12 minus 8, then it will then take it multiply by 5. So 12 minus 8 equals to 4 and 5 which is equal to 20 division, so 20 minutes. Similarly, these questions can be done here. 3 minus 1 which is 2 into 5, that is 10 divisions. Okay, that means 10 minutes have passed. Okay, and the D1 which you have to do in your homework. So that is for today. I am sharing one PDF file which consists of the question answer which we have discussed in this lecture, and you have to write in your notebook. The only question answer which I am sharing through the PDF have to be written in the notebook. Nothing else has to be written. Thank you.